What's up, and welcome back to Shake It Not Slurred. Today we will be using our raspberry simple syrup. As you can see, it came out very well. We will be using that to make the drink today, which will be a raspberry martini. So, as you can see, we have some vodka, some cranberry juice, unsweetened because this is sweet enough and will compensate. And let's just get right into it. So first, let's go ahead and start with some ice in our shaker so that the drink can be cold. We will set that aside. The next thing that we will do 2 ounces of vodka. So you can scale this however, but just 2 parts. When I say 2 ounces, 2 parts, 1 part, whatever it is, however much you're making. So we will do 2 ounces of vodka directly in here. Just like so. We will set that aside. Then we will come behind that with our unsweetened cranberry juice. We will just be doing 1 part cranberry juice. So 1 ounce directly in there like so. Set that aside. We'll come behind that with about 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So we will just go ahead and add that in there. And then for the ingredient, some raspberry simple syrup. So we'll do about 3/4 of that directly into our mix. Like so. Set that aside. And then we will give this a shake. And that smells actually amazing. So then we will go and grab our martini glass. So we have our martini glass, it's been chilled, so I put this in the freezer. So now we will pour our mixture. We will double strain it just to get out those ice shards. Double strain it directly into our martini glass, like so. Make sure we get all of that. And then we will garnish with some fresh raspberries that have already been washed. So let's do about 3 on here. 1, 2, let's pick a good one. 3, like so. So 3 fresh raspberries. We will just go ahead and sit that in there like so. And voila, there you have it. A raspberry martini. Perfect for those date nights, upcoming Valentine's Day, or for that significant other. So let's see how it tastes. And there you have it, raspberry martini. So go ahead and stay tuned for those next videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Voila, raspberry martini. So stay tuned for the next video. And voila, Shake It Not Slurred out. And there you go, how to make a raspberry martini. So if you have any ideas of drinks you would like to see me make, go ahead and drop that in the comments. And I will catch you in the next video.